Good morning. It is 7:45. It is very early in the morning and I am going to head to the gym this morning. There's a few things that I want to get done today. Firstly, I need to get my freelance work done. Secondly, I need to pack for KL because I am leaving for KL in a few days. So I need to pack for that trip. Having here, can I have the kaya toast set no butter? Set A no butter. Chili kaya. Then can I have kopi si sundai. Now that I'm off the clock, I am going to pack for my KL trip. It's gonna be a really short trip, so I just am going to pack a lot of my sports because I'm going there for badminton coaching. So yeah, but first I need to iron my shorts. So this is all the skincare I'm packing for the trip. I'm not going to be bringing any makeup because I'm going with a bunch of guys and we are not really going out anywhere, so it's fine. The first thing I'm taking with me is my Estera barrier cream. I've been using this for the past 2-3 weeks and so far I like it. I actually have dehydrated combi skin, but my barrier has been a little bit damaged the past week, so I actually started using this and I find that it really does help with like sometimes I get a little bit of like itchiness and stuff like that, so I think it does help with that. I'm still having a little bit of hormonal breakouts for God knows what reason, but I can't help it. So I actually decant a little bit of my toner into this spray bottle, which I will use, and then this one is actually I decanted from this UPT skin conditioning milk. I bought this in Japan a while ago. I think it is a celebrity brand. I cannot remember who the celebrity is. It's alright, I guess. It's pretty hydrating. I like the texture. I like how it feels on my skin. I usually use this after my toner, and then right after that I go in with my barrier cream. But I did bring a few other fun things. So this is my PDRN cream. This is my daytime moisturizer. So I don't use this in the day. I use this at night, and then this is what I'm using in the daytime. I did go out and buy a travel set of this Sally Max travel kit. So it comes with the cream, the toner, as well as the serum. I'm gonna try these three out before I bring it to KL because I don't want my skin to have a reaction in KL, so I will try this here. I've got like 2 nights to see if I actually have any allergic reaction to any of the ingredients here. So this is likely the only serum I'm bringing. I'm not bringing any of my actives because I am still trying to heal my skin barrier. Of course, I have 2 types of spot treatment. This is the 9% Moisturize BHA 9, and this is just the Pear Acne spot treatment. And then just a few lip product. Of course, I am bringing the Thermotherapy lip treatment, lip balm. This is a really good lip balm. And then of course, for a little bit of color, I brought my Rom and Melting Balm as well. And then for a little bit of color on the face, I am bringing my Ellie sunscreen Chic UV. This one has SPF 50 plus, PA++++, 4 pluses. And then last but not least, my Celimax Pore and Dark Spot sunscreen. Obviously, I am overpacking because we're actually trying to fit 2 coaching sessions in a day. So there is a lot of sweat that's gonna happen. So I am packing extra sportswear just so that we can actually change out of our sportswear like twice a day at least. Yeah, I'm actually a little bit concerned that I do not have enough sportswear for the amount of coaching we're gonna do. So we'll see how. I am just going to put everything inside the luggage. I'll just do a midday check-in. I've been sitting at my desk and working since morning. And of course, me being my ADHD self, I did a little bit of online shopping, but not... I mean, they were essential shopping. You know, I'm not going out to buy like random things that I do not need, but I just want to show you what I got. So the first thing I got is this bed frame for myself for the new place. This is actually from 42 and it's not super expensive. It's like, the queen is about like 465 Sing dollars, which is fine. And then it has storage underneath. This is not the queen size. Okay, so this is the queen one, so it has storage. The other thing that I got from 42 is this dresser table set. This is actually for my mom. She wanted something like this for her bedroom, and these will come most likely after we move in. I hate to get my bridesmaids dresses because I bought one on Carousel the other day, but I think it looked more grey than blue, so I bought this one, which is a cheaper one, and then this one is slightly more expensive, but I wasn't sure of the fit, so I bought 2 just in case one didn't work out. Come on. It's 9:45. It's been quite a long day for me. We went to the unit to get some paint swatches done. I'm still kind of like undecided what paint I should get, like for my room. So I am leaning towards that pinkish kind of like mauvish kind of color, but I really don't know how that's gonna look like when it's the whole room. So I really need to sit and think about it again. And I am planning to get 3 more paint swatches because for the study I'm actually planning to do a single blue wall. So there's going to be more paint swatches coming up, but that is definitely going to be after my KL trip. But anyway, I'm super excited to eat all the food in KL. I am going to try and get a little bit of sleep earlier because I need to be up at... Oh shit, what time do I need to be up tomorrow? I need to be at the airport by 8, so I need to be up at 6:45. So I gotta go to bed early tonight if I can. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. The next vlog will be probably all about KL if I remember to film, but otherwise it will be whatever it is I'm shooting next. I will flow with my energy. Bye.